Hi, my name is Jordan, and I'm a ride program leader here with Trips for Kids Charlotte. And I'll be showing you how to fit your helmet on your head before you go out on a ride. First things first, we simply need to put our helmet on, making sure that it's the right size so that it sits right on the top of our head. Next, we need to rotate our helmet back and forth, making sure that there's a distance of 2 fingers between our eyebrows and the helmet. Then, if your helmet has a dial on the back, you need to tighten it to the right or loosen it to the left to make sure that the helmet sits tight on your head and comfortable, and so that it doesn't shake off. Next, we need to buckle the chin strap and tighten it by pulling it or loosen it by pushing it in to where 2 fingers can fit between the chin and the chin strap. It should not be loose enough to allow it to move away from your chin, and it should not be tight enough to choke you. Finally, we need to double check our helmet, and we can do that by shaking our head, making sure that it doesn't move too much. It only takes one hard hit to the head to cause a life-changing injury, so we need to always have our helmet on while we are out riding. Thank you, and I hope this video helped you out. Have a fun and safe ride.